Okay guys, we're doing the team random. It's live. 6:29, 23 PM Melbourne time. Participants going 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Yoink. Teams going 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Yoink. One random complete. Don't need that one anymore. Don't need that anymore. Brian Gomez, Wizards, Adam Carter, Hawks, Albie with the Cavs, Shane Overend, Sixers, Martin Taylor, Magic, Tommy with Pelicans, Johnny Deacon, Clippers, Albie, Grizz, Adam Carter, Raptors, Daniel with the Celtics, Brian with the Bulls, Stashy with the Nuggets, Johnny Deacon, Mavericks, Tim with the Warriors, Reese with Heat, Brian with Spurs, Hutchie with Blazers, Mr. Cotton with the Lakers, Reese with Hornets, Benji, Rockets, G with Bucks, Reese with Suns, Stashy Pacers, Haylock, Pistons, Martin Taylor, Thunder, Andrew Sanson with Jazz, Reese with Wolves, Albie Kings, Brian Gomez Knicks, and Tommy with the Nets. And that's the team list.